Namaste Janta Janardan, welcome to Nyanda's Kitchen. I am Nyanda and here we turn simple ingredients into magical flavors. Back in the COVID days, staying home meant endless cravings and I found myself reaching for unhealthy snacks. That's when I discovered Makhana, a guilt-free and the most safest option for a snack. It kept me full, boosted my energy and was so easy to make. Since then, it's been my go-to evening snack and today I'm sharing this simple and healthy recipe with you guys. So, let's get started. Let's start by heating half a tablespoon of oil in a pan on low to medium flame. Now the time for our main ingredient. Once the oil is hot, add 1 big bowl of makhana to the pan. Keep stirring on a low flame to make them crispy and crunchy. Now let's add 1 big bowl of murmura to the pan. Stir it gently so it mixes well with the makhana and we get that perfect crunch. Now let's add half a tablespoon of oil and add 1 cup of groundnuts or Falli dana in a pan and toss it up for a few minutes until it turns golden brown. I am also adding 7 to 8 cashews and roast it with groundnuts or Falli dana. Take out the roasted groundnuts and cashews from the pan and let them cool for a few minutes. This helps them stay crunchy and blend well with the Jeera later. For the final tadka, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a small pan. Once hot, add Jeera, Kadhipatta and the roasted groundnuts and cashew mixture we made earlier. Now add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder and salt to taste. Mix everything together and let it cook for a minute until all those beautiful aromas fill the air. In the meantime, hit that like button, share this with your foodie friends and subscribe for more quick and delicious recipes. Now add the roasted makhana and murmura to the pan and give it a good mix. Let everything come together beautifully for that perfect crunch texture. Can you hear this crunchy sound? How satisfying is that? Yes, and just like it sounds, it's equally tasty and healthy to eat. By the way, do you know makhana is a powerhouse of nutrition? It's packed with protein, fiber and antioxidants while being low in calories. Serve it as a snack with your evening tea or just munch on it anytime for a guilt-free treat. I hope you really enjoyed this easy and healthy recipe. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Nyanda's Kitchen for more tasty treats. Tab tak ke liye, bye bye.